Meaning of encashment.
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 Encashment. Encashment refers to the process of converting financial instruments, such as checks or bonds, into cash. The result of encashment is the receipt of the corresponding amount of money, which can be used for any purpose deemed necessary by the holder of the instrument. Encashment is often needed when a person or business needs immediate access to funds, and cannot wait for an instrument to mature or clear through the usual banking channels. The availability of encashment services varies by institution and location, with some businesses specializing in providing this service to customers.